Assalamu alaikum my dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Mohammad Emdadul, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class 5. Our today's topic is Geometry Part 2. In this part, I will solve a competency based question. Here the question is given here. Dear students, now see the question. Competency based question 2. Draw a circle whose radius is 35 millimeter. Question B. Draw a circle whose diameter is 44 millimeter. Question C. Draw a circle and show its different parts. Dear students, here in the first question the diameter of a circle is given. We have to draw the circle. Dear students, so we can write here given diameter, radius equal to 35 millimeter. Dear students, we can convert this 35 millimeter into centimeter. It means that if we divide this by 10, we will get 3.5 centimeter. We can draw the circle using the measurement millimeter or centimeter, both we can use. Dear students, for this, to draw the circle, we have to take the scale and take the pencil compass. Here the centimeter is shown here. This is 3.5 centimeter. So at first take a line segment whose length is 3.5 centimeter. I am starting from 0 and here is 3.5. It means 35 millimeter. Here is 35 millimeter and join by a line. This is 35 millimeter. I have to draw the circle. The students, to draw the circle, at first consider this is point O, this is B. Now OB is the radius. OB is the radius whose length is 35 millimeter or 3.5 centimeter. Okay, now take OS center, consider OS center and take the length equal to OB and draw an arc. Draw the circle. Draw the circle. Students, this circle is our required circle. Here OB means 35 millimeter. This is the radius. It means that when the radius will be given, we can draw the circle. Radius means the distance of circle from the center. Distance of circle from the center. This is the radius. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood how to draw a circle when the radius is given. Now we can write in the above figure. In the above figure, here we can indicate the points of the circle. Suppose this point is A, here is C. So we can say ABC is the required circle. In the above figure, ABC is the required circle. Okay, dear students, now I will solve question B. This is question A. This is question A. Now I will solve question B. What is given here in question B? Now see the question. Draw a circle whose diameter is 44 millimeter. Whose diameter is 44 millimeter. Dear students, so you can write B given diameter equal to 44 millimeter. It means that we can write here, the student's diameter is 2 times of the radius. It means radius will be therefore radius equal to, radius will be half of the diameter. Radius equal to 44 divided by 2 millimeter. This means 22 millimeter. If we convert this into centimeter, this will be 2.2 centimeter. Okay, dear students, when the diameter will be given, we have to remember that at first we have to convert the diameter into radius, then we can draw the circle. Okay, dear students, now draw the circle. To draw the circle, at first take the diameter. It means that 44 millimeter. So we can consider from 0 to 44 here, 44 millimeter, this. And we have to take the middle point, that is 2.2. That is 2.2. This should be the middle point. Okay, dear students, now we can draw the circle easily. Suppose O is the middle point, A is another point, B is another point here. Now consider O is the middle point, then take the radius. Draw the circle. So this circle, suppose here is C is another point. This circle ABC is the required circle whose diameter is 44 millimeter. Whose diameter is 44 millimeter, and radius, if we say, that will be 22 millimeter or 2.2 centimeter. Okay, dear students, now we can write in the above figure. In the above figure, ABC is the required circle. Okay, dear students, now I will solve question C. What is question C? Question C is, draw a circle and show its different parts. It means that we have to show the different parts of a circle. For this, at first I have to draw a circle. So dear students, let us see. That is, we can draw a circle here. Dear students, this is our required circle. Here, this portion, suppose this portion, this is the part of a circle. We can indicate on the portion here. The students, this total curved line is known as circumference. This total curved line is known as circumference. And this fixed point on the circle is known as center. This fixed point O is known as center. The students, now This is the distance of a point on the circle from the center. This is known as radius. This is known as radius. The students, now I want to show a line, this line. A line joining any two points on the circle is known as chord. This is the chord of the circle. If this types of chord pass through the center, if any chord pass through the center, is known as diameter. Is known as diameter. So this is diameter. This is diameter. Okay, dear students, now see, if I take a part of the curved line, that is known as arc. That is known as arc. Dear students, these are the parts of a circle. Now again see, the total curved line is known as circumference, and part of the circumference is known as arc, and the point fixed, which is fixed within the circle, is known as center. The distance of a point on the circle from the center is known as radius, and the line joining any two points on the circle is known as chord. The students, the chord which passed through the center is known as diameter. The chord which passed through the center is known as diameter. Okay, dear students, I have shown the different parts of a circle here, so we can write here figure different parts of circle. Different parts of a circle. The students, so we can write the different parts of a circle is shown below. The students, I hope you have understood how to solve this type of questions when the radius is given, how to draw the circle, when the diameter is given, how to draw the circle, and which are the different parts of a circle. This type of question you can solve yourself. Okay, dear students, so solve this question as your homework. This is your homework 31. Submit your homework on next Sunday. The students, you know, homework is very, very important for your annual examination, as your city marks, diary marks and SBA marks will be given based on the performance of your homework. So keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, stay home, stay safe. See you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.